Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Please let me tell you the short review of this poster, and I hope you can look this poster clearly on your screen. The topic is about the potential rare earth element and lithium resource in laterite granite in Indonesian granitoid. It's a review from the previous related study, and the manuscript was written by me, Rizka Rasma, and my supervisors are Mr. Shafrizal and Mr. Andi Yahya Al-Hakim. The background of this review was on the Indonesian government was legalized the regulation of Undang-Undang Cipta Kerja number 11 2020 in Article 9 that instructed the state-owned enterprises or BUMN can collaborate with the private companies to cultivate the mining of associated radioactive minerals, whereas the rare earth element and lithium as their associated mineral become the most critical mineral, and it can be seen at the figure 1 where the rare earth element as the light REE and the heavy REE as the most critical mineral with the highest supply risk, and overall the REE and lithium are in the red zone. So it's crucial for us to finding new deposit of this material. The focus area in Bangka Belitung, West Kalimantan, and West Sulawesi, because this area have a large distribution of granitoid with high radioactivity. But during the weathering of granite, it prefers to exploit laterite granite with low radioactive content and low-cost mining. And this review aims to speculate on the prospect of finding new deposit of REE and lithium on laterite granite. And next is about the characteristic and potential REE and lithium in weathered granite. The REE ion absorption was absorbed onto clays mineral, and REE ions mobilized from granite and concentrate in lateritic zone. It was affected by the radius of trivalent ions of REE. It's shown by figure 2, where the higher radius of REE have high solubility and would be decreased in line with increase of atomic number. And next, at the Jiangxi, China, the REE plus yttrium grade is up to 1,228 ppm, whereas in Mamasa and Palu granite in Indonesia is up to 337 ppm. Even though the lithium in lateritic granite is not well documented, but the previous study in kaolinite from granodiorite contains 45 ppm of lithium. And then Indonesia has a potential area of granitoid and weathered crust, and it is commonly associated with the rare earth element, lithium, and radioactive element, etc. And at least at the figure 3, it shows the size of REE deposit at the active mining area in China, Australia, USA, and South Africa. And maybe from this poster, we can do the foresight study of rare earth element and lithium in laterite granite in Indonesia, and we can may reconstruct the diagram model of grade and tonnage model to predict our resource of the rare earth element and lithium deposit. Thank you for your attention and see you in your panel room.